Hi folks, Ilona here. Today I have two designs for you. They're super simple earring designs for top drill beads. So these are rectangular beads, and these are briolettes, or teardrop, but they are top drilled. They're not side drilled like a lot of briolettes are. And we're going to start with these ones. And then I'm going to show you the other one. Anyway, let's get going. So my square beads are 12 millimeters in size, and I'm using 24 gauge wire. You could use like thicker wire, but unfortunately they're like the holes are quite small, so like I don't have 22 and 20 just does not fit. So I'm going to take a fairly big chunk of wire, long chunk, I'd say maybe 10 inches. Let's see. That looks about right. My dog is here, of course. I'm going to bend about an inch, make a small loop. If you don't know how to make loops, I have a tutorial for it. And just secure this wire a couple of times, like 2 or 3. Okay, so I'm going to take the bead now, feed the wire through. That's what we have now. And I'm going to just bend it up and then bring it around, like around the top, bring it down again, bring it down, bring it up, bring it over to the front again, bring it up, again, and then bring it to the back. And you can just like wrap it around if you want, but I kind of like making this thing. So to do this, I am going to bring this there and just start wrapping it, but you need to make sure that your wrap is going in the right way. So like, you know, so your every rotation is under the previous rotation, and that they're kind of increasing in size and diameter. And then you can make it as big or as small as you like. It starts to get easier once it gets bigger. Okay. So what I do now is just trim the end and like lift the element a little bit and just tack this end in like nicely so it doesn't stick out. And then you can just move your spiral. This one's not the best looking because, as always, I'm too far from the actual piece, so I can't see what's happening. But on these ones, you can see they're nice and neat. But you do need to be quite close to see what's actually happening. But yeah, that's the basic idea. So that's the first design done. Okay, Okay, so for my briolettes, they are about 2/3 of an inch, probably like what, 18 millimeters, something like that. And I did exactly the same thing. I took a piece of wire, which is like 6-7 inches, did exactly the same loop. I'm going to put the wire in, like so. And now I'm going to bring it up a little bit to the side, hold the wire here and start curving it. And I'm going to continue curving it until I have a nice cute loop here. And I'm going to hold everything. Take this wire, bring it around, bring this to the front again, arrange it however I like. And yeah, 7 inches was way too long. Probably be okay with 5.5 for this size of a briolet. Obviously, if you have a bigger one, you'll need more. And then I'll just wrap this wire around a few times, like nice and neat, and tack it somewhere. Make sure there's no sharp edges, and there you go. So the trick with this, when you are doing, because you know for this design you need to mirror, so when you're doing the other side, obviously you will just do exactly the same thing but mirrored. You will curve it that way instead of this. Yeah, I've worked hard to do this, that. See, they're slightly different, but as my teacher was saying, there's a whole face in between them, so no one's gonna notice. Yeah, as I said, they're super simple designs. I hope you enjoyed them, and let me know what else you want me to do. Bye!